But plastic straws also have warnings. So, like, I guess you could poke yourself in the eye or poke yourself in the nose. So, be careful out there, y'all. Hey, y'all, and welcome to Hot Chocolate Chat. Today I'm drinking a smoothie with a stainless steel straw. So, let's talk about that. I had told Marvin that I wanted to drink more smoothies this week because I was inspired by a friend that did a 10-day smoothie cleanse. And I think this smoothie has banana, cranberries, strawberries, and kale in it, and some protein drink. And I also have this stainless steel straw, so it's new. Here's the deal about the straw. Eco at Heart sent it to me to review, and they're pretty cool, but there's some things. Because, like, honestly, it's a stainless steel straw. Stainless steel straw, stainless steel straw, stainless steel straw. I don't know why I was making that so dramatic, but it's a stainless steel straw, so it's metal, okay? It's reusable, it's better for the environment, it's better for your health. But there are some warnings that came with the straw, and one of them was not to use it while driving. And to only use it with cold or not hot or warm drinks, basically. And y'all are going to think I'm dumb, but I was drinking my water out of the straw, and I was like, man, the straw's cold. Fun fact for you, or like fun science fact for you, is that metal conducts temperature. Y'all, I don't even know if that's how you say it, but what I'm trying to say is the metal straw, it got cold when it was in the cold water, and of course I'm assuming it would get hot if it was in like hot chocolate. But I don't drink hot chocolate out of a straw, so I didn't even test that. But it got cold when it was in my water. So I was like, oh. And then my YTBFF, my YouTube best friend forever, she said that she kept hitting the straw on her tooth, and she thought she was going to break her tooth. But when I was reading up on straws in general, because I'm like, that can't just be for like metal straws. Because I thought, I was worried about a glass straw breaking. But plastic straws also have warnings. So, like, I guess you could poke yourself in the eye or poke yourself in the nose. So, be careful out there, y'all. We can talk about smoothies another day because I still want to stay on this straw subject. There's also all kinds of research out there about the impact of straws on the oceans and, like, in wildlife and nature. On an everyday basis, I normally use a silicone straw, that hot pink one that's usually in my water. But even if I have poked myself with that straw, it's just like rubber. It doesn't hurt. That's what I want to talk about today. What kind of straw do you use? Have you ever tried a metal straw? Do you use a plastic one? I do use plastic straws sometimes, but I try to recycle them, so I try. Oh, and another thing, the metal straws do not fit inside the hole on my Yeti, and the silicone ones bend, so that's why I use that one for my water. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts and what kind of straw that you use and what you think about metal straws. If you want to follow me on Snapchat, it's sideofawesome, and on Instagram and YouTube, it's Our Gray House. But just don't follow me in real life, though, because that's creepy.